help build a new foundation for the 21st century, we need to reform our government so that it is more efficient, more transparent, and more creative. They're not just showing us a path out of the worst recession in generations. They're proving that this is still a country where we make things, where new ideas take root and grow, where the best universities, most creative entrepreneurs, and most dynamic businesses in the world call home. Getting out of Washington and spending time with the people of this country, seeing how hard you're working, how creative you are, how resourceful you are, how determined you are, that only makes me more determined to serve you as best I can as president. Interesting and creative things along these lines. So on Friday, for example, I stopped by a factory. Together, we will tackle the urban challenges of our time and foster diverse, creative, and imaginative economies that bring opportunity to every corner of our cities. We need to be bold and creative and take risks just like all of you have done.
We challenged our employee base to come up with creative ideas of how to do cleaning without using chemicals, how to better recycle, how to use less.
Teach us that there's no such thing as a lost cause if you're willing to be creative and challenge the conventional wisdom and take some risks. If you're willing to try and fail and then try again until you find something that works. I believe that the role of the government is not to disparage wealth, but to expand its reach. Not to stifle markets, but to provide the ground rules and level playing field that helps to make those markets more vibrant and that will allow us to better tap the creative and innovative potential of our people. I would also like to welcome the President's Committee on the Arts and the Humanities, a group of men and women dedicated to inspiring creative endeavors and strengthening America's deep commitment to the arts. And I understand that you had a wonderful program this afternoon. But the good news is that if we put the right rules and incentives in place, it will unleash the creative power of our best scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs.
And we shall work in order to achieve a quick solution with a constructive, creative solution in the long term in this and many other areas.
And there were some other creative suggestions, both from Republican and Democrats, about further progress that we could make on that front. And that's why I'm about to sign Wall Street reform into law, to protect consumers and lay the foundation for a stronger and safer financial system, one that is innovative, creative, competitive, and far less
and creative, and at the same time, don't forget to give back to the local communities. I do believe that President Obama and the U.S. administration.
So that's the kind of creative approach that you've seen some Democrats and some Republicans embrace. Today, the competition for the best jobs and industries favors countries that are free-thinking and forward-looking, countries with the most creative and innovative and entrepreneurial citizens.